morning. Welcome to Gopi Fitness Classes here on 10 o'clock with Vanita Ashok here. Alright, everything fine? Rocking, rising and shining. And यहाँ पे तो बारिश आया था. The weather is so beautiful. It's the right time to sweat out. So I'm going to do an audio check and lighting check and video. Audio visual check कर रही हूँ मैं. ठीक है? I'm going to make it a better experience. No. If this isn't working, audio check कर रहे हैं. Somebody out there can give me an audio check. Yeah. Anybody giving me an audio check there? Azhar, give me one audio check, please. Okay. So I'm going to wait for more people to come in. I've just signed in a little early because network का issue हो जाता है. हर घर पे network use कर रहे हैं constantly from morning to night. All people in the house are using internet. So slow हो जाता है. तो इसलिए to be on the safer side, I logged in earlier. Right. Those who are here watching this class later on, I want you to walk on your toes. God, जल्दी ये कोरोना चले जाए and हमारा ट्राइपॉड का issue solve किया जाए. Thank God this time it didn't fall. Okay. Keep walking. Keep walking. On your toes. Good. So far, so good. हमने नीचे ना, once you learn a lesson, then you become alert, right? I've already told you 5 times हमारा phone गिर गया है. So this time I put a mat to catch the phone, so nothing will happen. Otherwise I won't be able to live stream. Oh, very good morning. Audio check, please. All fine? Audio check is fine. Visuals okay? Thank you. Okay, walk on your toes. We're waiting for more people to come in. The time now is exactly 95. ठीक है? Walk. अभी 10. So नाश्ता हो गया? सुबह ही हो गया ना? If at all you are finished by 8 o'clock, 8:30, you can work out. ठीक है? Low impact aerobics है and you will enjoy this. You will enjoy this music based class है. अच्छे वाले music लगा देते हैं. Stress buster भी हो जाता है. You have to walk like this. Come on. This is Vanita Ashok here. Vanita Ashok complete name है movement. Move it. Keep moving, okay? Keep moving this way. Additional warm up हो रहा है. Stretching भी हो रहा है, especially in the calf region. Okay? Thank you for that. Thumbs up or what was it? Let me see. Vanita ma'am. Good morning, Megha. How are you? Dr. Arun Kumar. Then we have Harushi again. Hi, Harushi. Mamta. Divya. Divya Bagunara. Audio sitting on the gara. Audio checking. Good. So what we're going to do today is a cardiorespiratory workout, low impact hai, and at the same time all my choreography, all my cardio classes works on your mind and your body, plus it has skills. You definitely will enjoy this class. Okay? And when you get that step, you're like, wow, I got it. That's the feeling. So quiz shuru hone wala hai in another 3.5 minutes. And please go ahead and play the quiz. And thank you for playing the quiz all along. Because it's a contribution that is going to happen by the end of the quiz, not this quiz, the sessions, and we will be from Goki donating masks and sanitizers. So, पता नहीं कब तक चलेगा ये कोरोना वायरस का हवा, right? Okay, good. Walk on your toes. I've given you some work to do. Walk on your toes. Alright, good. Walk. Keep walking, guys. Yeah. I'm so scared to touch my tripod, otherwise everything will collapse. Good. Walk it. On your toes. Any questions you can ask me. आज के क्लास में steps होता है, उसको sequential order में you should remember and execute it, and that will challenge it works on your mental agility. How fast you remember, है ना? Body and mind has to coordinate at the same time on agility and speed, which is good for your brain health. And yesterday, I had posted something long back and it popped up, and it was saying how we have to, as much as we take care of our body's health, we have to take care of our brain health also. Very important. So, इसके लिए sudoku solving puzzles, riddles, and what else can you do? Learn a new art, learn a new instrument, learn to do something else that your body is not used to do on everyday basis. So all this will work on your brain health, the right and the left brain, and also new gray cells will be formed. So playing the quiz right after, like another 2 minutes, that is also working on your brain. Brilliant, isn't it? High five, low five. So that is what Goki is about. Okay, Goki is always about you. Did you see the live telecast yesterday at 5 o'clock? We went live from Instagram. Vishal, our CEO, he was talking to Bajaj Finance wale, insurance wale. And I think that idea is brilliant. We need it. High time this thing happened. So people have to, when they take up insurance, why will people give you insurance? After a certain age. Okay, go ahead, play your quiz and come back. I'm going to see you later. morning, welcome back. Alright, I welcome all 1400 people here on Rookie 10 o'clock class with Vanika Ashok, and all those people who played quiz and scored 50. High five, high five. This is Vanika Ashok here from Bangalore. I'm an aerobic instructor here and I've done many other certification, and I include this in my aerobic classes, and I'm in this industry from 17 years, and I take 3 classes in my studio, and all my students have now shifted to Rookie. Okay? Virtual classes. And today's workout is low impact aerobics for your heart health, to condition your heart. Heart is a muscle and that also requires workout like any other muscle in the body. So इसके लिए हम cardio respiratory exercises करना है, तो ये heart muscle strong हो जाता है, efficiency बढ़ता है, and it has to work less number of times to pump out the blood. If you don't work your heart, okay, cardiorespiratory नहीं किया, तो your heart is not like conditioned, not strong. तो बहुत कम करना पड़ता है heart को to pump that same amount of blood. So that means you're making your heart work very, very hard. Very, very soon, your heart becomes very old and overused and just like a mixie. ठीक है? So ये समझ में रख, ये मन में रख के this information that you have gained. Remember, weight loss exercise is not just for weight loss. It also is to be done for your heart health. ठीक है? आया समझ में? No more excuses for not exercising. We'll warm up and start off with the choreography. All right, here we go. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes, guys. I hope you're wearing. Everybody can work out. Everybody can work out. And if you have had breakfast at 8 o'clock, 8:30, go ahead, you can join me now. If you have knee problem, if you have lower back problem, you also can work out. Okay, if you have shoulder problem, if I'm moving my hands overhead, आप move मत कीजिए, इतना ही कीजिए, नहीं तो ऐसे कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So I don't have any jumps in my this one. Even if I have jumps, I'll put it in the end, and it's a low jump, low jack. Wear your shoes. Without shoes, you cannot do it, ठीक है? And you take a call if you feel tired, giddy, nauseous, and not feeling good. You feel whatever you're eating is coming here. Stop immediately. Stop immediately. Drink water and sit down. Discontinue. All right, let's go. That's cool. You like that song? Warm up.
She's crazy like a
Moving full range of motion. Five, six, seven, go. Nice, guys. Come on, enjoy. Woo. Go good. Basketball man.
she's crazy like
You can nod your head. Come on. Forward. Big Forward. Eight more. Right heel back. Extend the hand. Extend. Extend. Warming up. Come on. Skill base. Stretch it out. See that? Very good. Getting it? Very good. Eight foot. Forward. Change. Warming up. Come on. Eight foot. Work your hamstring. Come on. See that? Stretch. Forward. Eight foot. Take it up. Down. Lower back. Eight foot. Shoulder. Eight foot. Gas stretch. One more. Last time. Ready? Watch me now. Reach. Back. One more time. Right leg. Slow. Take a step right. Left leg. Back reach. One more time. Front. Back. Watch me from here. Watch me from here. Right. Careful. Come on, come on. Don't stop. To the left. Get that. Option. Go. Good. Come back home. Woo. Double. Walk back. Left leg. Dip. Mambo. Walk back. Left. Good. Got it last time. Come on. Memorize Okay, getting the hang of it. Okay, so many messages, it was stuck. So I think everybody is fine there. Movement. स्लो से, हाँ स्लो से करेंगे मूवमेंट. यस, स्लो से कीजिए. बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हमने दिया था. ओके, सम पीपल विल हैव वर्टिगो. ओके, सो आप डोंट डू द स्विवल. इसका नाम है स्विवल. डोंट डू दैट. यू विल फील गिडी एंड डिसोरिएंटेशन हो जाएगा, आप गिर जाओगे. डोंट, आई डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन, स्पेशली नॉट ऑन गोकी, नॉट ऑन माय क्लास. ठीक है, यू कैन स्टिक टू दिस वन. इट्स स्टिल अ वर्कआउट गाइस, इट्स स्टिल अ वर्कआउट. ठीक है, एनीथिंग दैट हैज टर्निंग don't do. People with arthritis, senior citizen, people who are obese, and people who are new to exercise, people who have vertigo, right? Vertigo, giddiness, nausea, nahi karna hai. Okay, and if you're pregnant, of course you're not going to do any of these workouts because none of us coaches are monitoring you. Play safe. You can do you can refer yoga classes, speak to yoga trainers, and about meditation you definitely can do. Pranayama you may have to discuss with your coaches here on Gokia if you are pregnant. Okay, and if you have any respiratory, not respiratory is okay, vertigo issues. Okay, please consult us. We are always available. We are always available over the inbox. You can message us. Don't message here. हम फिर से नहीं देखने वाले हैं शायद. Okay, we usually never come back to our classes. You inbox us. All of us coaches are accessible. We'll tell you, हाँ ये नहीं करना था, ये करना है, आपका ऑप्शन ये है, ऐसे. ठीक है? So I'm going to go through the steps. You have to remember 8 steps in sequential order. Upper body कुछ कर रहा था, lower body और कुछ कर रहा था. So calorie burn हो गया और ज़्यादा, and इससे ज़्यादा आप यहाँ पे भी workout कर रहे थे. Mental agility speed. It had to coordinate with your body. Physical agility से match होना चाहिए था. Okay? First one is front V, back V. Then this is called travel, 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 travel. Double step. I'm showing the original swivel. Then front mambo cha cha cha. Front mambo cha cha cha. Right leg, left leg. You have come away from your starting position, so go back home. Tap, tap. A tap के साथ हमने one more element to remember दे दिया. So your brain is working extra fast. Then इसके बाद हमने दिया split the step touch and this one. Hand movements changed. Again you're working extra hard, right? And after that I gave you each place. Mambo, mambo, mambo. Take that leg back. Same leg goes up, double. ठीक है? I give you one more option here for mambo. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. When you turn there, इसको turn मत कीजिए. No, no turning. So it becomes too much. गिडी हो जाओगे. It's not advisable. अगर एक turn लिया तो the next step should be a stabilizing one, grounding one. Okay? So you will get your focus. You are oriented to one place, or you will feel giddy again. Even people without giddiness will feel giddy, and the chances of falling down is very high. So the whole choreography is designed scientifically on exercise principles. Just like that we don't do a design. And it's balanced. Right and left is balanced. Now, अगर आपने इसको नहीं घुमाया, तो आप इसको घुमा सकते हो. Okay? Again disoriented, orientation again. अगर करना है, challenges चाहिए, तो कीजिए. नहीं तो यहीं पे रुक लीजिए. That's it. It's okay. It's fine. Perfectly all right. Okay? ये आपको मुश्किल लग रहा है, तो ये कीजिए. Double. Single, single, double. आपको ये भी करना मुश्किल है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ये भी हो सकता है. इसके साथ the left leg शुरू हो जाएगा. जितने भी टाइम आप राइट साइड करते हो, जितना टाइम आप लेफ्ट साइड करना ही है. तो हमने ये किया ना, इसको बोलते हैं लीड लेग चेंज. It automatically goes on the left leg. देखिए अभी single, single, double. Now my left leg has to move. Scientific. It's based on biomechanics. Automatically my left leg will move. So right and left is equal to 1. So do as many times as possible. बाद में ये क्लास खत्म होने के बाद 10 minutes, I think within 10 minutes the class will be up again. So आप इस जगह पे rewind करके you can, the same music will be there, you can do any number of times. कर सकते हो? Fine. So I'm going to do one more time. I'm going to do it in this direction, back direction, एंड ऑप्शंस तो हम दिखा देते हैं. सो यू डिसाइड एंड विच ऑप्शन यू वांट, एंड इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस क्लास, मीनवाइल टेक्स्ट मी. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट कर लीजिए. आई एम गोइंग टू कूल डाउन, दैट टाइम आई कैन reply to those answers, I mean questions. Ready? Let's play funky time. ठीक है? Okay, I've been doing this for 17 years, so I keep changing. I never repeat my class. I never repeat the choreography. Different choreography. इतने सारे steps है, okay? And this is one of the best elite cardio workout, I would say, and I can vouch for this. Okay, gets your mind and body fit and young at one time. Alright, walk around. I want you to walk around to bring your heart rate down. And my heart rate currently is at 137. Woo! Good. So each one of us will have a heart rate range to follow. We blindly cannot do. Okay? A senior citizen, people who are new to exercise, people who are obese, they just cannot afford to shoot their heart rate very high. The range, it cannot go high. That's why you need a tracker, fitness tracker to track yourself. अगर आप treadmill में हो तो दिखा देगा है ना. So, but if you are doing these kind of things, आपके लिए you need a tracker. So आप एक काम कर लीजिए, कल का जो हमने लाइव शो किया था रोकी से विशाल वर्धन जी ने on Instagram, live को जाना है. You know how Instagram works, right? So the live is Vishal. I think we went to a live from Roki. So जो रोकी का ऐप जो होता है वो राउंड सर्कल होता है, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए, वहीं पे दिखाई देगा आपको लाइव शो. तो वो लाइव शो देख लीजिए, इसमें इंश्योरेंस का भी है बजाज का, एंड हाउ इफ यू टेक अप द इंश्योरेंस ये ट्रैकर मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन वर्क आउट एंड यू कैन कीप ट्रैक। सो आपको पता चलना है कि आपका हार्ट रेंज क्या है। तो आपको शायद मैं अलग क्लास कर लूँगी, मैं तो आई विल टेल Tufail or Pervez to do a in-depth class about it, or one of the doctors, okay? Your age, your height, your weight, everything should be added। एक फॉर्मूला है, एक फॉर्मूला में आपका एंट्री लगा के तो जो मिलता है वो हार्ट रेंज है, ओके? यू हैव टू मेंटेन देयर। तो वहाँ पे आपको are you cooling down by walking slowly? तो मिल जाएगा आपका फैट बर्न के लिए क्या चाहिए, हार्ट कंडीशन के लिए रेंज क्या होना चाहिए, कैलोरी बर्न के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, ऐसे ही, ओके? सो एंड्योरेंस बोलते हैं, that also is there. So can you do that? Don't jump like a monkey. We don't want you to get hurt. We want you to help you to get better with your health, not get injured. Listen to your body. If you feel you're not able to do this, it's too much for you, take it slow. I've given you options, right? I've given you options. Replace the steps with marches. You're still doing, you're still working your brain, you're still working your body. As you get stronger, you'll be able to do everything. 17 years of aerobic instructor. ठीक है? इससे पहले 2 साल स्टूडेंट थी मैं, फ्रंटलाइन का स्टूडेंट, एडवांस स्टूडेंट। Alright, let's go down. So I hope your heart rate is down. Feet hip width apart, fold forward, stretch your hands straight. Right now knee is locked, hands here. Never hold your knee. Any questions about today's class? Fitness, weight loss, exercise? Let me know. Bend your knees now. Bend your knees, push your hip back. Roll your head up, chest up, sternum lifted. Touch the floor. Straighten your legs. When you come up, your head comes up. Last. Roll your shoulders. Reverse it. Every part of the body was engaged. Elongate, lengthen your hands. Elongate your midsection. Arms. Push, reverse it. Fold to your left. Center right. Center. Push your hands to the front. Change the claps. Push it. Upper back. Arms. Good. Take your hands at the back. Lock it. Take it away from you. Chest. Shoulder. Arms. Bend your knees. Go all the way back. And exercises हमने किया ना, तो इसके लिए strength and a stretch. Go. If you feel this is difficult, just hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and counter stretch. Up. ठीक है? Right knee into your chest. Hold on to a wall or a couch. Point your toes out. Breathe out. Good. Take your leg behind you. Pull it away from you. You are still holding a wall. If you have balance issues, bring that same leg forward. I want you to hold it for 30 seconds each stretch. I'm holding for 10. Pull it. Drop your feet. Stay there. Switch. Left. I like the single leg stretches because it's elite. It works on your core and works on balance. Forward. Reach it. Drop your feet. Stay there. 30 seconds, please. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Laughing Buddha. Ha ha ha. No matter what, stay positive and stay fit at home. Okay, you can work out at home and stay fit. We'll go to coaches who will be able to help you. You can check any of my previous classes and of any other coaches also. There's a subscription button there. If you press it, you'll join my class and you'll get a notification about my next class. I'm going to be here tomorrow at 10 o'clock with another topic, and I believe in making people work out with education and knowledge. Only then we will work out. हाँ करो, fit हो जाओगे, weight loss हो जाएगी. Only these two things, matter. I mean, will not help you. I have to tell you why. Yesterday's का class देख लीजिए. I had done obliques and abs. So there I have told you why you need to work out. ये पेट कम होने के लिए नहीं, it won't even happen. Why? So check the previous class, you will know. So if any questions, go ahead and ask me on inbox. Time ho gaya hai. I'm going to see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Be good. It's life as usual, but indoors. And you should work out, you should eat right, you should sleep on time, you should de-stress. Alright? We have taken care of everything here on Loki app. Only thing you cannot do shopping now. बाद में सब वो भी हो सकता है. अभी आप स्टोर जाके शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकते. शायद I don't know if it's बॉम्बे में ओपन हुआ है the option, but it's not possible for me to order anything on Loki right now. I'm going to wait. Worth it. And this is my contribution to my country to stay home and save lives. What about yours? Same now? Good. High five, low five, low five. Be the force, get well India. With me, Khalida Ashok, only on Loki.